my name is Renran Zhou, and this is my teammate Haoxin Guo, and we are on the course Embedded Systems, and this is the product we have built. So our original proposal is that we are going to build a product that can help gardener simpler gardening. So there is a soil moisture sensor here, and then there is a light sensor here. There's also a temperature sensor here, and then there is also battery, and then whose operator is going to communicate with the server, and then there is also a water pump here which will help you water your plants. So Daniel is going to talk about how it works.
Okay, I will talk about how this whole setup works. And you can see from this web page that you can remotely get the data from the Huda feather, and there's a server running on the Huda feather right now, and you retrieve the data and show them on the browser. And from now you can see it will show you the light level, moisture level, temperature level, as well as you can toggle the water pump from this web page. And now let's try to change something to see what the web page will show. And now I try to change the light here. And we can see when I upload the page, the light level will increase, and it tells you it's too much light and put it to a darker place. And now I'm trying to plug this.
So now the moisture level. So now the moisture level is sort of low. It's 4 now. If we plug the sensor into the soil, which is pretty much a wet soil, we can see that the moisture level changed to 11, and it tells that it's too wet now. So now we can also set up the pump to make it water. We can also set up the pump to make it water the plants.
And now we include 1 and submit. And we shall see the pump is working, and it pump the water and pour into the garden. And now let's turn it off by input at 0 to the form, and now it stops working. And now this is our whole setup, how it works, and I wish you guys have a good time listening to us.
Thank you.